Academic Maths Nursery 4 Plus, page 21. Dear children, today we will read about number 9. Say aloud and trace with fingertips, starting from the right side around up. Follow the given pattern. Now say aloud. 9, 9, 9. What do you see on this page? Yes, you are right. 9 monkeys. That's good. STEAM activity. Use paint to create 9 fingerprints on a piece of paper. Ask your teacher to help you with this interesting activity. You may use your favorite colors. Be careful that paint must not catch your uniform. Think and tell. Write the numbers 1 to 50. How many 9s do we see? Ask your teacher to help you with this difficult activity, as you have to read a chart showing numbers from 1 to 50. Look at the chart and copy numbers on your notebooks. Write 10 numbers in a row. Now you may easily count all 9s. Well done. Dear teachers, make the children learn tracing, speaking, and writing the numeral 9. Tell them about the objects that are naturally found as 9 entities, 9 planets in the universe, etc. Help them with STEAM activity. Use sand tray to trace the numeral 9 and practice accordingly. Have a nice day.